Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we are going to look at a baseball softball bag made by Tone Sport. This baseball bag is really awesome. It's got a lot of really cool compartments in it. It's well made. My daughter uses this for softball. So I'm going to go through and kind of give you an idea of how this thing is constructed and what we use the different compartments for. Now, the first compartment obviously is going to be the bats, and you can see it has a place for 2 bats. And they claim in the description you can put 4, so I'm assuming you could go ahead and have this, stretch this out, have a second one in, and put another bat here where the water bottles normally go if you really needed to. We don't do that though. We use 1 bat on each side, and we have water bottle spots, or in this case she has her Aquaphor up in the very front. You know, anything like that that you want to keep. Now, this also has the separate compartment down at the bottom where your cleats go. And the reason that's a good thing is the cleats a lot of times get really muddy and things like that. So if you throw them in the main compartment, your gloves and everything you have gets dirty. This particular bag even has a place to put a laptop. So you really wouldn't want to throw those cleats in there. Now, the other thing you're going to want to look for, though, when you're looking at bags is check the zippers out. They need to move really easily. If not, they're just going to break and your bag becomes worthless. These zippers are great, and they even have a pull strap on the top that makes it super easy. It's like rubber coated so that it's easy to grab a hold of and make work really quick. Now, it has a small compartment up here which you can put things like the face masking paint, or you can put a glove in there, you know, like your little single batting glove. You've got another compartment down here, which she actually has her batting gloves in right there. You can put a cell phone up there. You can put keys, whatever you need to that you're going to need to access quickly. Now, another thing, I'm going to spin this around and show you that I like the straps, and I love the padding. It's got a really nice pad, so if you're walking around with this with, gloves and bats and it's heavy, it's not going to wear your shoulders out that much, and it's easily adjustable. This is just the simple little pull adjustment right here. Now, it also has the normal carry strap at the top, and people use this a lot of times to hang this on a wall or on a hook. Well, this one even gives you an added hook with plastic here, which is nice. So you actually have 2 of them on the back of this. One that's really dedicated to just hanging it, one that's dedicated more to just carrying it. Now, let's look in the main compartment itself. This is the big compartment. Now, this big compartment is really cool because we open it up, and this back section right here, if we kind of tilt it so that you can see, you can actually put a full laptop in there, or you can put a textbook or anything that you need to. So if it's, say, your daughter, like in my case, and she's coming out of school, she can have her laptop in here and her book. And if she's sitting around waiting and can't get started in sports yet, she can be doing her homework, whatever, or she can just carry 1 bag instead of having to always carry 2. Now, she's got her glove down in here, and that's all she's pretty much got in there right now, but you could put the glove. There's plenty of room in here. If you look, put the glove. You could actually put your batting helmet in here. You could put baseball caps. You could do all kinds of things. There's just a ton of room in this thing. So overall, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because they've thought of pretty much everything on this. It's a fantastic little system. I think it's made to last, and it carries just everything you're going to need. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you guys on the next review.